guys, okay, so before we get started, I'm just going to show you guys the parting space on this wig. So I'm going to part more so like in the middle. Okay, so the lace stops right there. Okay, so I'm going to take my measuring tape because I want to make sure I'm accurate. This is like the worst shirt to film in. So you get roughly about 4 to 5 inches of parting space with this wig. Let's see how much parting space you get if you part it on the side. You get about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space, so that's pretty good. The hairline is pre-plucked, so that's good. The density on it is not that bad around the hairline, so that's good. I didn't have to do any type of plucking on this unit. I have not did any type of tinting or anything like that on the lace. So this wig does not come with any combs in the back. It does come with the 2 combs on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace using the Sally Hansen leg makeup. And I did have to sew the elastic band on this wig because the wig was too big and the adjustable straps are not stretching. So this wig is kind of on the big side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better tinting the lace. So if you get this wig, make sure you definitely tint the lace because it makes a huge difference. Okay. Fits really good behind the ear. So I didn't have to cut off any extra lace. So I think I'm gonna wear this hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how the hair looks being straight. And then I'm going to go in and add some curls.